Decisions, decisions, decisions. Success is a decision. You have to wake up and decide to make a difference that day. The ball is always going to be inside your court. So why aren't you deciding to make a change that you need to make? Is there something that's holding you back from getting it done? Too many times we hold ourselves back, finding ways to make excuses, or maybe even letting our own ego get in the way with what we know we need to get done. I once heard a quote that says the road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. You gotta understand that a lot of people think that success and failure are two different things, but in reality, they are one and the same. The road to success is paved with failures. So it's easy to give up, it's easy to do those things, but you need to believe that you can be on the right track. But that's just not you. You're able to get over this thing. The benefit of failure is that we can learn from the failures. Our failures become our biggest assets. Everything inside your life is a reflection of the choices that you've made. So if you want a different result, you're gonna have to make different decisions. Make the choice to succeed. It's time for you to be happy. Be the person you see yourself becoming. If other people don't like it, then let them be, because it's your happiness that matters at the end of the day. Now, many things will happen that you can't control, but you still have the choice in how you can react to the situations that come up inside life. It all comes back to you. Be miserable or be motivated. What is your choice? If you made it this far in the video, then I'm sure your choice is to get motivated. So start today. You don't need a New Year's resolution. Today is your resolution. Make a decision to make better decisions. No more short-term thinking that leads to long-term disasters. You are smarter than them. Success nor happiness is by chance, it's by choice. So repeat after me. I trust in my abilities to make wise and informed decisions that positively impact my health and success. And I am confident and strong, and I am dedicated to creating the life I deserve. I want you to repeat this 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Decide today to make a difference inside your life. Checkmate, checkmate, checkmate.